The TotalFX CO2 laser is the ultimate skin rejuvenation laser. We've had CO2 technology for a number of years, but prior to this laser, we could never get the dramatic results it produces. Why is it so magical? Because this treatment can take 5 to 10 years off your face easily in 5 to 6 days. Even less if you've added platelet-rich plasma to your treatment. It does it all. It reduces lines, fades scars, brightens your skin, fades brown spots, and it even does a little bit of firming. Fractionated CO2 resurfacing removes layers of skin in a fractionated method. Microcolumns of skin are removed, leaving the skin surrounding each column intact to aid in the healing. Our fractionated CO2 laser operates at different levels: Active FX, which is more superficial, and Deep FX, which is deeper, and then Total FX, which is both together. It's all the same laser, but we have different handpieces to vary the depth and density of the spots. The deeper the treatment, the longer the recovery, but the more dramatic the results. Also, the more it costs, and the longer the results last. You get the picture. It's just a matter of picking the right settings for what you need. This modern CO2 laser, UltraPulse FX, basically eliminates most of the risk, 3/4 of the downtime, and sacrifices very little in terms of results compared to the old CO2 lasers that were being used 10 or 20 years ago. In fact, we've been offering fractionated CO2 for almost 10 years now, and we haven't seen any significant unexpected side effects. Let's talk about the treatment. Patients always ask if they can drive, and the answer is yes, you can. Just know that you'll have a red, slightly oozing face when you leave, so you won't want to stop on the way home. We will have prescribed 1 or 2 medications for you to take prior to your appointment to prevent cold sores and infection. You also may want to take a couple of Tylenol or Aleve just to take the edge off during the treatment. But honestly, nothing stronger is needed for discomfort. On your appointment day, come to the office in comfy clothes and don't wear your contacts. And if you're a guy, a clean shave is nice because you won't be able to shave for about 5 days. When you arrive at the office, we'll go through some paperwork, take some pictures, and apply a topical cream that numbs the skin. After removing the cream, we'll put on some protective goggles and do the treatment, which takes about 30 minutes. When we've completed your treatment, your face will feel very hot, like a bad sunburn. And that sensation goes away pretty quickly, usually over a couple of hours. Then we'll apply Stratamed, an advanced wound healing gel. We used to use Vaseline, but those days are gone. The next 3 to 4 days are gooey. Yes, you're red and swollen with some mild crusting, but the main complaint we get is this is sticky. It's important to use only Stratamed and water for the first 3 to 4 days. Any sort of cleanser or moisturizer, Neosporin or natural oil can really burn and irritate your skin, and that prolongs your recovery. Trust us. Even after we tell our patients not to use other products, every once in a while someone does, and it's a problem. On about day 5, your skin will start to exfoliate and you'll see these tiny little dots that look almost like coffee grounds on your face. During the next 24-hour period, we recommend you use mild vinegar soaks to help speed that peeling process. Sometimes it's itchy during this time, and oral Benadryl is really helpful. Once the skin is peeled, it looks like pink baby skin underneath, and that's when you can start wearing makeup and using your mild cleansers and moisturizers. At 1 week, you'll notice your skin is softer, and many of your brown spots are faded. The results will continue to improve dramatically for the next 6 months. Take advantage of this baby skin. Your skincare products will be absorbed better, and light peels and microdermabrasion over the next 6 months will continue to enhance your results even more. Most of the before and after pictures you see on our website, we've taken about 6 weeks after, but your best look is at 6 months. You can do repeat treatments, and a lot of our patients do repeat this every year or 2, just because they love the results. But this is not a treatment you need to repeat over and over again. Unless you have very deep wrinkles or acne scarring, then you may want to repeat it at 3 months. By the way, we do this treatment all the time on the neck, chest, and hands. Best of all with this treatment, the results last for years. More questions? Ask away. Our consultations are always complimentary, and many of our team members have had this treatment.